Hello, good morning, children. Today, beta, we are going to start with exercise 3.3, which is based on some of the important results. First of all, we are going to discuss those results. The first result is, what is a polygon? First of all, we should know what is a polygon. Okay? Any closed figure made up of line segments. A closed figure made up of line segments. Now the first property that we are going to discuss is sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. So sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, beta, that is equal to 360 degree. Now what is a regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? A polygon with all sides equal. A polygon with all sides equal. That is called a regular polygon. So what is each exterior angle of a polygon? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that will be equal to, beta, 360 divided by n, where what is n? N is the number of sides. Now first of all, we are going to discuss question number 1 and question number 2, and accordingly we will be going further. So let me discuss the first question of this exercise 3.3 now. In the first question, he has given us a figure, and in that figure he has asked you that what is the value of x plus y plus z. Now this is the figure given to you. This angle is marked z, this angle is marked x, and this angle is marked y. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we want to find the sum of the angles. Now what is the position of x, y, z? X, y, z are the exterior angles, and we know that sum of the exterior angles is always equal to, sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So therefore, as x, y and z are the exterior angles, so x plus y plus z, that will be equal to 360 degree. Now beta, the second question, I will do one part to explain you, and in the same way you will be doing the remaining parts. In the second question, what he says, that he wants you to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon, where number of sides n is given to you 15. So what do we say? Know the formula? We know that each exterior angle, how do you find each exterior angle? That is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So 360 divided by 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60. So therefore, each exterior angle of this polygon will be equal to 24 degree. Same way beta, you can do the second, third and fourth part. In the third question, he says, what is the third question? In the third question, he says, how many sides does the polygon have if its exterior angle is given to you? Now, what you want to find in the third question? You want to find the number of sides. You want to find the number of sides. So, what is given to us? Say for example, question number 3, third part, I am given angle 36 degree. Now, what is this 36 degree? 36 degree is each exterior angle. So, each exterior angle is equal to, क्या formula होता है? 360 divided by number of sides. Now, each exterior angle is given to me 36. So, 36 degree is equal to 360 upon n. Now, if I want to find the n, I will put n here and I will take 36 in place of n. So, when I divide, take 36 in place of n, 36 tens are 360. So what is n equal to? N is equal to 10 sides. So same way beta, if you are given angle 24, 45 or 72, again you will put each exterior angle equal to the given value and you can solve it. Now beta, after this we are going to discuss about the interior angle. Now you know that any figure, the sum of the interior and the exterior angle, sum of the interior angle and exterior angle, that is always equal to beta 180 degree. The sum of the interior angle and the exterior angle is equal to 180. Now if I want to find interior angle, that means first of all I have to find the exterior angle. So as in question number 4, what is given to me? I am given a figure which is a pentagon. Now pentagon is a figure of 5 sides. If it is a hexagon, it is of 6 sides. If it is an octagon, it is of 8 sides. So pentagon means how many sides are there? N is equal to 5. If n is equal to 5, what will be each exterior angle? So what will be each exterior angle? First of all, we will use a formula for each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n. So that is equal to beta 360 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. So each exterior angle is equal to 72. Now we know that the sum of the interior angle and the exterior angle is equal to 180. So to find the interior angle, okay, interior angle plus exterior angle, the sum is always equal to 180 degree. Now you want to find the interior angle, that you want to find interior angle plus what is the value of exterior angle, that is equal to 72 is equal to 180. So what will be your interior angle? My interior angle will be equal to 180 minus 72, which will be equal to 108. So what do you see? That whenever you have to find the interior angle, you have to find first of all the exterior angle and then you will subtract the exterior angle from 180 to get the interior angle. In the next question beta, we will be talking about the sum of the interior angles. Now what is the formula to find the sum of all the exterior angles or interior angles of a polygon? For any regular polygon, the sum of all the interior angles is given by the formula n minus 2 into right angle and into 180 degree. Okay? N minus 2 into 180 degree, which is the formula to find sum of all the interior angles. Now first, in the fifth question, first part, what he says, what is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon if there are 7 sides? That means what is given to me? N is equal to 7. So therefore, we want to find the sum of interior angles. So sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles, क्या formula है? It is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So what is n equal to? N is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 180. 8 5s are 40. 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. So therefore, the sum of all the interior angles, that will be equal to 900 degree. Similarly beta, if n is equal to say for example 10, ठीक है, if n is equal to 10 तो क्या बन जाएगा? Sum of the interior angles, that will be equal to sum of interior angles, that will be equal to 10 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 180. 0, 8, 8 is 64. 6 carry 8 1 the 8 plus 6 14. So it will be 1440 degree. 1440 degree. Now the last question beta. In the last question he says that what is the in the last question he says that is it possible to have a polygon with each exterior angle equal to, फर्स्ट केस में वो कह रहा है कि अगर आपका 40 डिग्री एंगल है तो क्या आपके पास एक ऐसा पॉलीगन क्रिएट हो सकता है जिसका ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल 40 हो? तो how will you solve for this sum? If each exterior angle is equal to 40, then आपको पता है each exterior angle का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. अब लॉजिक क्या है बेटा? n is the number of sides, and number of sides cannot be negative or it cannot be in decimals. So therefore, when you solve it, you should get a positive integral value for n. Then the polygon is possible, otherwise it is not possible. So each exterior angle की जगह पे बेटा 40 put कर दो is equal to 360 divided by n. So when you shift these, n becomes equal to 360 divided by 40. 0 के साथ 0 की कटिंग होगी, 4 9 सा. So n की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आ रही है, इंटीग्रल वैल्यू आ रही है. So yes, polygon is possible. Yes, polygon is possible. ठीक है. अब अगर हम सेकंड केस में, इसी क्वेश्चन के सेकंड केस में, अगर हम n की जगह पे 34 लेते हैं, तो यहां पे हमारे पास 40 की जगह पे क्या आ जाता है? 40 की जगह पे आ जाता है 34. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 34 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 360 बाय n. तो जब हम इसकी शिफ्टिंग करते हैं बेटा, n की वैल्यू 360 बाय 34 आ जाती है. तो अगर हम 360 को 34 के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं तो देखो क्या होता है. 34 1 ज़ा 34, यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? u at 2 and 0 20. तो आपके पास एक रिमाइंडर बच गया. इसका मतलब 360 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 34. It is not divisible by 34. So therefore क्या होगा? Polygon is not possible. Polygon possible नहीं है. Polygon कब possible था? अगर यहाँ पे डिवाइड करके पूरी तरह आंसर क्या आ जाता? 0. तो polygon बन सकता था. Otherwise we cannot make a polygon in this case. So therefore in this case the polygon is not possible. ठीक है बेटा.